Hello everyone, welcome to Dream International. This video brings you IELTS writing module with some tips and tricks that can help you to score better in your writing section. So let's get started with the video. First of all, let's see the duration. The duration of your writing test would be 1 hour and there will be 2 tasks involved, which we call task 1 and task 2. IELTS writing is of 2 types, academics and general training. As I have been explaining in my previous videos, academics is for the people who want to go to study to a foreign country, whereas general training is for the people who want to settle as permanent residents in a foreign country. Now we have some important information to look at. Task 2 is same for both the tests. That means for academics also and for general training also. Task 1 is a summary writing of a visual information in academics. Visual information means a picture would be given and you have to write the summary of that. For general training, task 1 is a letter writing. Since we know that task 2 is same for academics and general training, so we are going to take up task 2, which is essay writing. In essay writing, there is no upper limit of the words specified, but your words should not be less than 250 words. 40 minutes of time is suggested. Why? Because task 1 and task 2 has to be completed in 1 hour together. There is no specified time for each of them. So 40 minutes is suggested for your writing task 2, which is an essay. Now talking about the types of questions that are involved in your essay writing: advantage, disadvantage, problem and solution, cause and effect, agree, disagree, and opinion essay. These are the 5 main types of your essay. Moving further, if we talk about grounds of assessment, there are a certain set of rules that have been specified by test conducting agencies, IDP and British Council earlier, which are task response, lexical resources, coherence and cohesion, grammatical range, accuracy. Now let's understand them one by one. When I talk about task response, means that you have to address all the parts of the task and there should be clear position of your ideas. You should give well supported ideas. Talking about the lexical resources, this means vocabulary. Now talking about coherence and cohesion, cohesion is usually the degree in which your sentences are connected. How easy is the flow of your ideas? Coherence means how your ideas are presented rather than the language used. Now talking about grammatical range and accuracy, grammatical range means your grammatical ability, your sentence structure, types of sentences. Now talking about the tips for your writing section. Task 2. So the first thing is that you understand your question completely. Give time to your question, give at least 3 to 4 minutes to read the question, to plan your answer. Then you have to answer all the parts of the question. I have taken few examples like advantage, disadvantage, cause and effect. There could be opinion essay also involved with that. So there will be 3 questions that you have to answer. Then you have to organize everything logically. A sequence should be there. Write formal words instead of like, use such as, and use your time efficiently. You should give time to proofread as well. Now talking about task 1. We'll talk about academics first, as this is the summary writing of a visual information. The word limit should not be less than 150 words, no upper limit, but it should go till 180 words only, not more than that. And 20 minutes are suggested to complete your task along with the proofreading. Let's take a look at the types of writing task 1 academics: flowchart, pie chart, bar graph, line graph, table, map, diagram. I'm going to make separate videos for each type, what vocabulary should be used, how you should frame your answers, everything. Now let's have a look at writing task 1, general training. As I said that it is letter writing. Words should not be less than 150 words. You can go up to 180 words, which would be suggested as the maximum range, because if you go above that, the chances of mistake would be high. And 20 minutes are suggested to complete this task along with the proofreading. Talking about the types, there are 3 types involved: formal letter writing, informal letter writing, and semi-formal letter writing. Now let's check the grounds of assessment for writing task 1 for both academics and for general training. The first one is your task achievement. Now, task achievement means ability to answer properly. Lexical resources, vocabulary, cohesion and coherence I've just explained, along with the grammatical range and accuracy, which is again your grammatical ability. Now let's talk about the tips that you should follow for getting a good score in your IELTS writing task 1. First one, pick the main feature of the map, flow chart, table, whatever is given in the question. This means that you should exactly know what you need to answer. Write clear introduction. Clear introduction means it should give the idea of what your body paragraphs are going to be like. Use good formal vocabulary. Do not copy the exact question. You can paraphrase the question. You can break your ideas into paragraphs logically. Use a variety of sentences, complex sentences, simple sentences. Avoid repetition of the sentence type of the words. And use your time efficiently. When I say efficiently, that means you should give 20 minutes to your task along with the proofreading. So this was it about your IELTS writing module. I hope these tips are going to help you, because I have used these tips for my writing section also, and they have helped me a lot. We are going to meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. See you all. Bye bye.